Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Cái YouTube channel ng kazaw than sa lunglomhnak tampi ka ngay. Cái YouTube ak active lo ngay because cái camera rock and cái phone rock na bata tu chu de dong việc dekha. I fixed than sa cái camera dong ka nga chang and then cái phone dong ka nga chang. So awesome. And tu ni kan to ding me to room tour. Da 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 da. Yeah, room tour ko tola tu ni cho ka room cho perfect lao ado tok lao tha tok lao na ba I just want to do room tour for you guys. So if you like it, please give me thumbs up and then subscribe and comment down below. This is my room. Hikahin, please knock before you come in. Big thanks na fa nak tin raklu plana kut ka king talom to kode. And I have Huda Beauty right here and picture of memory. Kahe waiting uncle na Indiana. So let's go in. So first of all, he got me rock here. Below I took me see Burlington. IKEA I took me. My hair Burlington I took me. It's so soft, and then you know sometimes he got tangahin. Flora can I'm not going slow mo na but me ka me hito analo. So that's a good thing. And then he's on here Burlington I took me say. So he got him. Bek kahin ka bek tate here kamhan lo mi kamhan dau tate mi te por kha kahin ka zal ha mi chu kai pup nak ki chu leng ka chho nak and then mi chu khotlon nak cha kai chok mi se and then hi kahin mi he ka tu pa Ezra ang hak chliu a shuk mi ang ki se. So I just want to keep it man nang ka zong ka siang lao and then mi zong he ka tanu chho liwa hi ka te hin I ate me te se ma trung a khan just for the memories ka kai chian ha te hin. And then he got to see why see in Kentucky see why our Miss Karak naksem. And he got him. I'm just collecting mugs. He got to Chicago na cute me there. He got him Virginia Beach, the Windy City, Chicago. Kahoy nuni ka ba ka piak me. And then got him Jesus and coffee. That's the best combination. Got him A for someone special. So I just like to collect mugs. And then I got the hin cactus deka garuma kachia ka TV ka zau na ase ka TV and mi ka hin Netflix nga join ka zau or movie ka han mi ka zau si achun ka computer ka zau. And right here kaman thak ta table ka hin kai tar na he got some they not got chat this chon jewelry te por kam han de mi te por khe he got ten ka thlai na so alak foi dau ka te ka han ka ring pol ka ring te ka chia na mi ka ngai nak sab tuk chang khol akar I chok mi se khol ma chin hi ka hin sam tem na ha te sam che na ha te bobby pin lip balm ha te por ka ngai na. And of course I'm drinking my coffee. Hello. So good. Chun makahin sunflower ka kay mani DIY ka to mi se. So apong tate akan te hin ka kul na ka thalanga. And then maka may he khoi ka da kai chok this is in Amazon na kai chok mi se. I think I only pay like $20 and it's so good. Ka te hin ni ko sele mui do se tin du chun ka na me pengal amui la na ban che do se tin du chun me than la la che than la. Then he got him soon powder perfume te por kangai mi por kai chian ha. And he got him gamit man gamit eye contact kam han lo po kai but mi min man polen se sunglasses. And then kai cho haran na kai chok mi and he biosen ka try le thang I go. And this is the best perfume. I don't know, I just love it so much. And I'm in the fact that ken zar pani shrong long kaman and mi ka hoy nu nak pick about de ka hoy nu nak pick si Zara. Hi ka hin Bible cha te hin kai chia minaw kam ma minaw kan khri pha bu minaw kan tlang tar se Philippine ngan palim hel hai thum. I can do all thing through Christ who strengthened me. This and me here kan boss nu ni ka ba de yak pick mi se. and he got hin pin atung pin kai chian ha le some tea nail polish and then makeup remover he did the poke kai chian ha, and then he got hin make another makeup remover Neutrogena kai chia, got tissue, and he got hin of course Chinlady sle si de kai chia, and then he got the hin ceramic class high school krak kai ceramic class krak to mi se. So ala na dun chan ka ngai le wa khin sam to ke ka chong to na ba da tu chu chang ka ngai lo tuk la ka to khau te lo any kind pang far hi Korean ton na ki ka dau khan mi nu te nya ka tel pyak mi se amani coloring to la ka tel pyak, and of course if you are a college student you must have printer, so I have my own printer in my room, and me po here Amazon na kai chok mi se phang thal an se pathuma opalia, and he got hin you know a messy to la tel mi kai chok like a khum vir na body lotion he ti body spray he ti pol like hin kai chian ha, and make nail remover he ti pol kan kai chian ha atang kan cha har lo mi pol kai chian ha, and then this is the magic mirror. Okay, so he got hin, if you open it you can see all my jewelries. Alan yo jewelry krak war tuk na balten atu chu ka war tuk ti lo, so he kan ka chen ha la che chan te longa ka man na, so he ka hin is thangai because tampi ka thil ka thlum, and then finally Amazon he got war tuk, and if you are like ki prime si set on 2-day shipping long set, so that's a good thing. So most of my stuff are from Amazon. Even this one is from Amazon. And then me light pose on here. If you like me here, kahoy nu nakapek mi say happy girls are the prettiest. Audrey Hepburn. So me kan kahoy nu nakapek tell me say. And then makai light pole here. If you wondering where I get it, then it's also from Amazon. And then he got him eat, and see that. These are tabek la chim khol bolan se go here. Got them one. This is my whole family. One thing I told thing ka chia kai ki inak se. Mi ki pol ki cho belo kai chok mi se Burlington thau thawa kai chok mi se. And then makai I mai hi cho ka un ya ka chok pyak mi se khoi ka da chok ka thai lo. Right here charge ka phone ka chat na ka Bible, and he got him pens and pencil te pol ka chian ha, and then he got him a chel chana cha ka to and a chel chana kai tap nak thau thau se, so he kan kai tap nak long there. And then yes I do have microwave in my room, so he can microwave ka ngai mi ka hin ka yi khe ta se. Let me know if you guys want to see what's in my refrigerator. Make a palette pork ha. And then this is where the magic happened. Ta-da! He got hin, so let's start from the top. He got hin ka biak pork ha. Chungak hin. You're probably asking, how could you reach that? Yes, of course, I have a chair right here. So makahin ka kai le. So think katili po hin kalak na. So hikahin kabek bol, and then hikahin kalai til bol ka chian ha hikahin ni. Hikahin one set daw ka chian ha. And hikahin angki daw top ka chian ha. Kalin sana kati kamhan ni bag se. Hikahin ka angki t-shirt. Dan eat na. And then Korean tuan na. And hikahin bombi. Jeans. And then hikahin ka angki polting ka thai na. I wish I have a bigger closet, but they too pocket thai vir ganun ha. But this is all I got. So color taking ka tuan ha. Of course, I have a lot of black. And then I want to show you guys mi ka hi chom ka textbook te por ka chia nak se. And then hi ka hin right here are some of my jewelries. Hi ka hin ka tumbul, ka nazi, ki earring. And ka eye contact there. And to di chon hi ka hin ka moza te por ka socks ka chia na. And then hi ka hin chon you don't want to see. Ka hin chon tank top te por chon hi ka hin chon short dress ka ngai min te por ka hi kan ka chia na and swimming suit. I think I got everything. So guys, that's all I have in my room. And oh wait, I want to show you guys where I put my shoes. So cái room cho kadan kachia kholo te ka khen kadan cho in leng closet a kachia. So let's go and see. Kadan po Càng cái chuyện mình các cái đệm bồn go hết. And of course a lot of black. That's it for room tour and ang katalog na tampi ka ngay ka video and subscribe ilo siya chun. Please subscribe for more videos and follow me on Instagram Chinlady and ka YouTube channel dong Chinlady silai nang na tampi ka ngay nang katalog sa kan itong tantin halay. Bye.